This conference will now be recorded.
So during your exams, they may not ask you the programs, but be ready with it. Okay. Have an idea on this linked list and trace. Two topics are important.
Okay,
So,
sir.
what is this linked list is? When you go for arrays, we are going to collect the elements, right?
Yes, sir.
Arrays also use it to collect the elements. But how we are storing the elements are stored in continuous memory locations, right?
Right, sir.
Then, when you go for arrays, do we need to give size?
Well, yes, sir. When we do arrays, we need to do
We have to
size.
give size. So if I give size as 50, that means I can store maximum 50 elements only. Got
Yes. Yes, sir.
it? The maximum 50 elements only. So I cannot decrease size or I cannot increase the size.
Yes,
That's the
sir.
main drawback of going with arrays. Okay.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
that's the main reason why we go for linked list. So the main use of going for linked list is like a linked list is a collection of elements stored in non-continuous memory locations. The definitions are very important. So they'll ask you what is the difference between arrays and linked list. What is the difference? In arrays, the elements are stored in continuous memory locations, whereas in linked list, the elements are stored in non-continuous memory locations in the form of nodes. I'll explain what is this node. Okay,
Yes.
simple difference. Arrays are continuous, linked list are non-continuous. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, when you go for arrays, for example, you are having an array. When you go for arrays, you are having some elements in the array.
Yes, sir.
This is our array. We are having some elements, and the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm having some elements like 10, 20, it is not coming properly, 30, 40, and 50. Now I want to insert 25 in between 20 and 30. So what I should do? I have to, in the case of arrays, what I should do, I have to shift the elements. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Until it gets space where you want to insert. Until it gets
Yes.
space where you want to insert. You have to shift the elements. Then I can insert. So
Yes,
if I'm
sir.
having 1000 elements, and if I want to insert the element at first, then
Then you have
1000
to.
shift operations are to do. And if I want to delete first element, again 1000 shift operations are to do. So the shift operations are time consuming. It takes more time. The shift operations are what? Time consuming. So when you go for arrays, the cost of insert and delete is what? More actually. So that's the point here. The cost of insert and delete operations, this part. The cost of insert and delete operations are more in arrays, whereas the cost of these operations are less in linked list.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when your application is having lot of insert and delete operations, make use of linked list over arrays. Why the cost is decreased in linked list, we'll discuss. Okay.
Yes, sir.
One more difference you can see. Already I've mentioned arrays are fixed size, whereas linked list are variable size, not fixed. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Now let us understand what's the meaning of node. What is a node? A node is divided into two parts: element value and link to the next node. And link to the next node means, for example, you are having a list. I want to create a linked list. How to create a linked list? It's a collection of nodes. So what will happen? We have to create a node first. We have to create a node. A node is divided into two parts. A node is divided into what? Two parts. This is called as a node, and it is divided into two parts. So first one, element value. First one, element. Okay. And the next, the link part contains the address of the next node, the next element. So whenever you go for linked list, the elements are stored in non-continuous memory locations. Means, let me suppose this address is 100. I'm assuming this address is some 200. This address is for 12. Then what link contains? Address of the next element. Address of the next element. Then, if the element is here 20, again I want to connect to one more node. Again, we have to create a new node. The element is some 30, and if I take the address as some 300, then the link contains what here? 300. So this is the way the elements will be stored in the case of linked list. And if there are no elements, here we go with null value. Null. So this is the way your linked list is shown to us. Got it, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Right? Let me elaborate more of this.
Okay, sir.
With a diagram. Okay, so you can see here. See, a node is divided into what? In this case, two parts: element value and a link. Okay, element value and link.
Yes, sir.
Right? There.
Yeah.
So here, first element address, I'm considering it as 100, and I've even properly mentioned like the first is the element value, and second one link, even we call next, which contains the address of the next node. So again, next node 200, and the element value is 20, and contains address of next node 30, and 30 is the next value, and address is 300, and it goes with null. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right? This is the way how linked list is present here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Uh,
Now, one more difference between array list and linked list is arrays occupies less memory than linked list. Agree?
oh, yes,
In
sir.
the case of linked list, we have to go with two things like element and address, element and address. But in the case of arrays, no address concept. Okay? So it
Yes.
occupies less memory. Only when your application is having lot of insert, we go for linked list. That's the method.
Okay.
Now, let us go with the application. So with this application, lot of things we are going to learn. Write a program to do the following linked list operations, like creating a linked list, displaying the elements of linked list, insert the element at begin, insert middle, delete begin, delete middle, delete end, count, and exit. So the menu should display repeatedly until user chooses exit. Means from your for your exam, they may ask you any one of this or some more also. I'm giving all the operations. So they may ask you any one or multiple also from this. Okay, Karthik. They won't
Yes.
ask you all the things because it is time consuming. They won't ask you all the things. They'll ask you write a program to insert an element in linked list at the beginning,
Yes,
or
sir.
write a program to create a linked list. Write a program to delete an element in the middle. Such type of questions they'll ask. Okay,
Okay,
but I
sir.
have all the things I made it as one program here in the form of functions.
Okay,
Okay,
okay. Yeah.
right? Now see here. So when you go for linked list, what you require? A node. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You require a node. A node contains what? A node is divided into two parts, right?
Yeah.
When you take a node is divided into two parts.
Yeah. The memory and the
The
actual,
first one, we call it as the data,
and
the
then the
element value, and the link.
yes, sir.
Link contains address of next node. Link contains what? Address of again next node. This is also one more node here. See here, how we are creating? We are creating a structured node, and first the node is divided into two parts. First one is what? Data, and second one link contains address of which one? Again a node. So
Yes,
it's a
sir.
pointer. Address means what? It's a pointer, but you are pointing to what type of data type again? Struct node only. It's again what is it's containing address of next node means again it's containing address of a node only. So again I'm saying struct node start node. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? There. Now whenever you create a node, whenever we create a new node, okay, whenever we create a new node, so this first node, whatever you are creating, we call it as start node. We call it as start. And if you create one more new node, then we call this one as end node. So this is my start node and this is my end node. The last node, whatever we create, we call end node. So what I'm doing, I'm taking two pointers here. because start and end nodes are important here. So we are creating a two pointers here. Start, struct node start, where as I'm assigning to null, and end also null, means there is no linked list created. If no linked
Yes.
list created, what will be the start and end pointers? Null values.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right? Now we are doing with the main function, right? Choice value and while one. While one means always the condition is true. Then I'm displaying the options here. I'm displaying the options. So create, display, insert begin, insert middle. So based on the user choice, if the choice is one, I'm going to call a function create.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to call a function create. Then how to create a linked list? This is the next important thing now. How to create a linked list? Understand that? Create a linked list. So how to create a linked list? First of all, the steps. These steps only they'll ask you. They may ask you to write the program, or they may ask you to write theoretical steps also, like an algorithm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm giving both the things to you so that I don't know how they ask you for your exam paper. So I'm giving even the program and algorithm also to you, both the things in the form of diagrams. Okay. So if you draw with the diagram and write the steps, and after that if you write the program, then they'll be very happy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. All the things I'm giving. So what are the steps to create a new linked list? First of all, we have to create a new node.
Yeah.
A node contains what? The data and a link.
Link.
Then next,
Okay.
what I should do? I have to give the value to the new node.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have to give the value to the new node. After
Yeah.
giving value, make the link of the new node as what? Null.
Yeah.
Got it? So I
Yeah.
have to give the value. Then immediately I have to make link part as what? Null.
Yes, sir.
Then, if start equal to null, what is the meaning if start equal to null? That indicates your new node is whatever the node you are creating, it's the first node.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because initial value of start is it what here? Null, right? Initial value of start is what? Null. So if I
Yes.
check if start is null, if I check if start is null, okay, then what it indicates? It is a new node, right?
Yes, sir.
It's a new node. So immediately what I'm saying, start and end equal to new node.
Yes,
Start and
sir.
end equal to what? New node. Okay. So then see here in the example, start equal to null, end equal to null initially. Okay.
Yeah.
Start equal to and end equal to null. Okay. Then I'm creating a new node here. So once I create the new node, okay, first I'm giving the element value as 10 and link part as null.
Yes, sir.
Element value as 10 and link part as null. Okay. Then now what is the value of start and end equal to what? Null. Start equal to null. So if the start equal to null, what I'm doing immediately? Start equal to end equal to p, where p is the new node here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm creating p whose initial address is what? 100. Then if it is a new node, I'm making first a node as start node and end node. So this is only our new node. Got it?
Yes,
This is
sir.
the node what I've created, and I'm making this new node as what? Start and end. So both start and end are pointing to the same node now. Clear up here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Again, I want to add one more new element. When I want to add one more new element, what I should do? Create a new node.
Okay.
Create a new node. Then give the value to the new node and
Yes,
make
sir.
the link part as null. Then have to check if start equal to null. Is start equal to null now? Here. Is start equal to null? No, right? It has now become 100, right?
Yeah.
What is start and end value? Both are 100 only in our example. So is it a start node now? Whatever the node you have created now? No. It is not a new node. So what will happen now? It will come to else part. Next time, whatever the new nodes you create, it will come to else part only. Only first node, it will go to this condition. Remaining, it will go to else part. So
Yeah.
once you come to else part, what I should do? I have to make a link between these two nodes now. How to make link? End link. What is end here? End is 100, right?
Yes, sir.
End link. End link equal to new node. What is end link here? New node address is what? 200. Now P
Yes.
is pointing to this. End P is what? 200. End link. End link means what? 100 link. You are making new node. Means it will become now 200. So now P is, this is pointing to this. Then which is the end node now? This is our end node. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So immediately what you are doing? P equal to 200. That is end equal to new node. So what is now? End is pointing to which node now? This node now. End is
Yes.
pointing to this. Then again I want to add new node. So again create a new node, give the value and make end as what? Null. Then make the new node link as null. Then if start equal to null, no. Then it will come to else part. End link. What is the value of end now? 200. 200 link you are making to 300. So the link will happen now. So this will become now 300. Then end equal to what now? New node. This will become now end node. So what is the point here? Simple. When I am creating new node, first I should check whether it is the new node, first node or not. If it is first node, what you are creating, make your start and end node to new node. Make and start your end node to new node. If it is not a new node, then what I have to do? Previous node, previous end link, we have to connect to the new node and make your new node as end node. That's it.
Right,
This is
sir.
the major one. This is the major one. We have to repeat compulsory. We have to practice with the diagrams. Okay.
Sir, I can ask you questions about this tomorrow, right? Because usually once we are done the lesson, I like to go slower at home, just
Right.
like with a pen, copy, and just like go over
No,
everything once.
I always you can ask. No worries in that case. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You have to go. See, linked list is not one go. You have to recap again and again, again and again. Okay.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
So I don't know how much level they last, but I'm doing the major thing for you.
Yeah.
Okay. So that to be simple.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then see the logic here.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the
I do.
logic of create function? Struct node P. I'm allocating memory for new node. How to allocate new memory? You remember malloc.
Yes, sir.
Malloc. Malloc is used to allocate memory. How much memory? Size of struct node. Got it?
Yeah.
Size of structure. So a new, so it has allocated a new memory. It has allocated a new memory node. So a new node is created. So once a new node is created, so P is pointing to what? This node now. P is pointing to this node. Then enter data. Enter data. So I'll say P data. Scanf and P data means what are the value we accept it will come and store into this P data. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So let me say the address of this node is some 100. So what is value of P now? 100. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. P link equal to null. So P link is what here? Null. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then if start equal to null is for the first time when you are creating it's null only, right? Initial value of start I have given null. Then start equal to end equal to P means start is pointing to this and end is also pointing to this. Got it?
Yes,
Start is
sir.
pointing to this node and end is also pointing to this node. Then now again I'll call the function create one more time. When I call the function again create, again you are allocating new memory. Again creating a new node. Now P is pointing to what? This node. Got it? Let me
Yes.
set 200. So P is no longer pointing to this one. Okay. Now P is pointing to end. P. Now what is the value of P? 200. P data means 200 data I'm entering 20. Then link part null. Then if start equal to null, no, because start is 100 now. Start is not null. So comes to else part. End link. What is end value?
200?
End value. End value. End value.
Oh, 100,
100,
100.
right? 100. 100 link means this one. So this link equal to P means what is value of P? 200. So this will become now 200. Got it?
Yeah.
So a link will happen. Then end equal to P. What's value of P? 200. So now end will be pointing to what now? Now this is our end. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then again I'll call function create. Again I'm creating a new node. Now P is pointing to this new node. That means P is now connected here. The address is 300. Address is 300 and I'm giving data as 30 and the link as null. Then if start equal to null, no, comes to else part. End link, end value is what? 200. 200 link equal to P. So this will become now 300. So a link will happen now. Then end equal to P means now end is pointing to the new node. Got it? How to create the new linked list?
Yes, sir.
Right? So only first thing it will become complex. Then display. Display means what? Just I have to display the elements. I have to display the elements. How to display? Start is what now? 100, right?
Yes, sir.
So initially P equal to start equal to 100. Okay, P equal to start, I'll say. The logic what I say, P equal to start means what is value of P now? 100. Then print the value of P. What is the value of P data? 10.
Yes, sir.
P data is 10. Now I should move to 200 link. How to move to 200 link? P equal to P link. So the value of P will become now 200. Then P data. What is value of P data? 20. Again say
Yeah.
P equal to P link. The value of P will become 300. If I print the value of P data, 30. That I should repeat until P link is null. Okay. See
Yes,
here.
sir.
Display. P equal to start means you are pointing to the start node. The elements are until your P not equal to null, I'm going to the new element. So we are printing P data. So it will print 100 data. What is that? 10. Then
Yes.
P equal to P link. Now P is pointing to second node. Again it repeats. P equal to null, no. Then again P data 20. Again P equal to P link. What's value of P now? 300. Again
Yes.
P equal to null, no. So P data 30. Again P equal to P link, now null. Null not equal to null, false comes. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Just we are moving to the next. Next one. Insert begin. Insert begin means I want to insert the element at the beginning of the linked list. At the
Okay.
beginning. This logic is simple.
Okay, sir.
Insert begin. So what is insert begin? This is the new node I want to create. And what are the steps? Create a new node, give value to the new node. And what I should do when I say insert begin, I should make this new node as the start node, right? Previously, this is my start node. Previously, this is my start node. Now, once I insert the element at the beginning, I have to make your new node as the start node. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I have to do? Create a new node. So I'm creating a new node. The address is 50. Then give the value to the new node. And what I should do? I should take the start node. What is start is pointing to what? 100. So new node link, I should make it as start node. So what will happen now? 100 is now connected to this. Then I should make the new node as start node. So start equal to new node. That's it. So initially start is 100. And when you say start equal to new node, start will become what now? 50. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, what is the logic? Create a new node, give value
Okay.
to the new node, and
Yeah.
make your link part of new node as start, and make your new node as start node.
Yes,
That's
sir.
see the logic here. Insert begin, create a new node. So we are
Yeah.
having already a node
Yes, sir.
whose value is 10 and address is 100 and linking is 200, right? It has a link to other place. Now I'm creating a new node. Once I
Yeah.
create a new node, let me say the address is some 50. Address is some 50. So this is my start node, right? This is my start. I'm giving the value 5. Then scanf p data means I'm giving 5. P link. What is P is pointing toward this one only, right? P link. P link means this address. P link equal to start means this start will come and store here. What is value of start? 100.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now a link has created. Now what I should do? I should make this P as new link. So start equal to P. So now start is pointing to which node? This. Got it? How to insert it first?
Yes, sir.
Insert middle. Insert middle. insert middle. So what is the logic of insert middle? So first P is equal to start, right? 100. Start is what here in this example 100. Now create a new node. I'm creating first new node. So that is 250 address. Let me suppose. Enter data into new node. I'm giving 20. Then enter position to insert. I want to say position is 2. Means 0, 1, 2. In second index, I want to insert. Then now I should repeat the loop until you go to that index. So for I equal to 1, I less than position, I plus plus. And we have to move the location. So P equal to P link. P equal to P link. First initial value of P is what? 100. P equal to P link means P will become 200. Then again, I less than position means 1 less than 2 S. 1 less than 2 S. Again the loop repeats. P equal to P link means what's the value of P now? 300.
Yes, sir.
First I is 1. Let me explain. First I is 1. 1 less than 2 S. P equal to P link means P will become now 200.
Yes, sir.
Again I plus plus I will become now 2. 2 less than 2 false. That's it. So after this for loop P value is 200. So P is
Okay.
pointing to what now? This one. P is pointing to this one now. After for loop. Then new link. What is new here?
250.
New link is what? 250. So new
Yeah.
link means 250 link is P link. What is P link? 300.
Yeah.
So new link I'm making 300 means I'm connecting to the next node here.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
connecting to the next. Now P link. What is P? P is 200. P link is what? This one. P link you are connecting to the new node.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the logic of inserting. So what I should do for inserting? Create a new node and change the new node link to next node and make your previous node link to your new node. So
Oh, so you're
connect it
just
from here to here,
changing. So
here
you're
to here.
changing the
Just like
memory.
that.
So you're
Right?
changing the
Everything.
piece. Huh?
Everything memory only here.
Yeah. So you're changing the memory over and over, right?
Right. 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 That's the
Okay.
main concept here. Memory management is very important.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See the logic here?
Yeah.
Insert middle. First, I'm taking the start node into P. I'm creating a new node. After creating new node, enter data. So let us suppose we are having the linked list like this. We are having a linked list. This is my 10, 200, 20, 300, 30, null. So this is address is 100, this address is 200, this address is 300. Now we are saying P equal to start means P is pointing to which node now? This one. Got it?
This. Yes, sir.
Then I'm creating a new node. So I'll allocate memory for new node.
Yes, sir.
So this, let me say, give data 25 and let me say this one is some 250.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is my new node.
Yes, sir.
This is my new node. Then enter position to insert. I'll say position as 2. Position as for 2.
Yeah.
Second. Okay. For I equal to 1, I less than 2. Yes. Okay. Then P equal to P link means now P is pointing to what? This one.
Yeah.
P is pointing to this one. Okay. Now again P equal to I plus plus. Now the loop repeats I plus plus. I equal to now 2, 2 less than 2. The condition is false. So now what is P is pointing to 200, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
P is pointing to 200. Now what you are saying? New link. What is new? 250. New link equal to P link. What is the value of P link? 300. That
Yes.
300 will come and store into new link. Means this will become now 300. Then the link will happen like this.
Yes, sir.
Then P link. What is P? 200. 200 link equal to new. So this will be replacing with 250. Now the link will come from here to here, and this link will break. That's it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Before exams, if they are asking linked list means practice 1 or 2 times. Okay?
Okay, sir. I will.
Yeah. Next one, delete begin. I want to delete the first element. So I've given proper diagrams to you, okay? So that you
Yes.
can manage very easily. So delete begin. What is the logic of delete begin? Very simple. Delete begin. So you are having the start element as 15. Okay, 5. It's pointing to 5. Then I want to delete this first element. So what is simple logic? Make your start point to the next element, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you are saying, P equal to start initially. So 50. Start equal to start next. What is start next? 100, right?
Yes, sir.
So now start is pointing to which element? This one. Start is pointing to this element. Then free P. What is the use of free function? Removes this number. That's it.
Yes.
So now start node is what? 100. Got it?
Yeah.
Free function we have to use here.
Okay, sir.
So see that code here? Simple. We are
Yes.
creating a new node. P equal to start. And you are making start to point to the next node. Start equal to start link means now start is pointing to 100. Free P means 50 will get deleted.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Delete middle. Delete middle. This is something complex. Delete middle. Okay. See here, we are having start node. I want to delete the element 20 here. Okay, I'm having totally 4 elements in the list. 5, 10, 20, and 30. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
start is pointing to what? 50. Okay,
Yes, sir.
start is pointing to 50. Now I want to delete the element. I want to delete the element here. Okay, that is I want to delete third element means 20.
Mm-hmm.
I want to delete the third node, so 20. Then how to
Yes.
do? So while I less than n means I should come over there. P equal to P link. So what is the value of P initially? 50.
Yes, sir.
Okay, n is what? 3. I is 2. I
Yeah.
is 2. I'm saying I is 2 and n is what? 3. So
Yeah.
comes here. 2 less than 3 s. P
Yes.
equal to P link. Now P is pointing to what now? This one.
Yeah. 100.
P is pointing to now 100. Then I plus plus. I will become now 3. 3 less
Yeah.
than 3 false. 3 less
Yeah.
than 3 false comes out. Then now what is the value of P of 100?
Yeah.
P is pointing to what 100? Q equal to, take one more new note, Q equal to P link link. Means Q equal to what now? What is P link? 200.
Yeah.
P link is what? P is
Two.
pointing to 100, right? P link is what?
Yeah.
200.
Yeah.
200 link is what? 300.
Yeah.
P link means Q is what now? 300.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you make P link as Q means this P is now pointing to this node now.
Yes, sir.
P link is what now? 300. So this is removed. So now
Okay.
P link contains 300. Now say P link equal to Q means, sorry, first of all I have to store here. We are in now with 300.
Yeah. Also, you
Okay,
put in
temp
the
equal to, yeah,
delete
I'm
the
storing the value of address. Temp equal to P link. Temp
okay.
equal to P link means temp
So,
contains what now? 200.
yeah.
Temp is now pointing to 200 because this number is important.
So, sir, it's
And
sort of using the swap mechanism, right? The mechanism used
yes, yes,
for swap,
yes,
like taking a
yes,
stamp and then
yes, because
instead
I
over
should
here,
not lose that. Yeah, I
yeah,
should
okay.
not lose the address. Now say P link equal to Q. Now P link is now pointing to what? This address. Now
Yes,
I can free this memory. So where this memory is stored? Temp, temp here.
yes, sir.
So I'm removing the temp memory. Okay. Now the link
Yes,
will be covered. So see the code here. Delete middle. Okay. So same as I have explained. So P equal to P link, I plus plus. Q equal to P link link, temp equal to P link, and P link equal to Q, and free the temp. Same what I've explained in the algorithm.
yes, sir.
Delete in very simple. delete and I did not make any diagram. It's very simple actually. So
Okay.
P equal to start. We have to loop until you reach to null, right?
Yes, sir.
Until you reach to null. So we are having a linked list. We are having a linked list where the elements are 10, 20, 30. And address is 100, 200, 300. Link contains 200. This one contains 300. And this is null. Okay, this is my list. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to delete the last one, this one. So when I delete the last one, which one should be the end node now?
The end
Which one
node?
should be the end node? 200 should be the end node now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So I should make the previous node as the end node. Means I should come to the previous node until you want to delete. So if I want to delete the last node, means for the last node, the link part will be what? Null.
Null, yeah.
Part
So
will
you
be
have to
what? Null.
delete the
P
one
equal
before
to
the
start. So now P is pointing to 100. P equal to
Yes,
start means P is pointing to 100. While P link. What is P link? 200. 200 link is what? 300.
yes, sir.
Not equal to null S. Then P equal to P link. Now P is pointing to 200. P is now pointing
Yes,
to 200. Now again the loop repeats. P link. What is P link? 300. 300 link. 300 link is null. 300 link is null.
yes, sir.
Yes. Then loop terminates. Now P is pointing to what now? 200. Got it?
Yeah,
Then once you come out, say P link as null. P is what? 200. 200 link as what? Null. So this
yeah.
will become null. Then
Okay.
free end. Free end means end is what? 300. 300, right?
Yes,
End is
sir.
300. So free end means this will get deleted. Now,
Gone.
which one I should make it as end node? The P
P.
node should become end node. So P end equal to P. So now
Okay,
end is pointing to this 200. That's
okay, sir.
it. Okay. Count is what? Simple. Count is very simple. So just is equal to 0. P equal to start while P not equal to null.
Okay.
Consider this is our linked list. 3 elements are there. P equal to start. So P is pointing to 100. P not equal to null S. 100 not equal to null S. Then
Yes,
count plus plus. Count will become 1. P equal to P link. Now P is pointing to 200. Again P not equal to null S. Again C plus plus C will become now 2. Again P
yes,
equal to P link. P is now pointing to 300. 300 not equal to null S. Again C plus plus 3. Again P equal to P link. It is null. Then comes out of 2. What's value of C now? 3.
yes, sir.
Okay. Right? That's it. So I have to explain all the functions. Recap it. Run this program. So it's asking the choice. I want to create 1, enter data 10. Again I want to create, enter data 20. Again I want to create, enter data 30. Now I want to display the elements. What are the elements now? 10, 20, 30. Can you see?
Yes,
The elements
yes,
are 10, 20, 30.
yes, sir.
Okay. Then I want to count 8 options. How many elements are there? 3 elements.
Yeah,
Number of nodes equal to 3.
yeah,
Then I want to insert at beginning 3. Insert beginning. I'll say the data as 50.
yeah.
Now if I display, what are the elements now? 50, 10, 20, 30.
30. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then insert middle. Insert middle.
Yeah.
Insert
4,
middle. So I'll
4,
say something like what option here? Insert middle means
4.
4. I'll say the position as enter data something like 25.
Yeah,
I'll say the position as 3. Then
yeah.
if I display the elements, see what you are getting 50, 10, 20, 25, 30. 25 is inserted into it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I'll revise this once and then if
Yeah.
I have questions, I'll ask you. Tomorrow we're having
Delete
class
everything.
2, right?
Yeah, yeah. So is it fine at 9 o'clock tomorrow
9 o'clock. Yes,
or
sir.
8? Which is better?
8 works better for me, sir.
8. Okay. Okay. Well, let us do 8 tomorrow.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
then just let me show all the complete. 551 means delete begin.
Yeah.
So if I display the elements, so the first element is deleted.
Yes, sir.
Delete begin. So I'll say something like 6 option. Then something delete which node means I'll say some second node. If I display it, so second node has been deleted. If I say 7 means delete end, which is end here 30.
Yes,
30.
sir.
So 30 will be deleted. If I display, we are having 10, 24. And when I say
Yes.
9 only, it comes out. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everything, one program, if you recap this complete code, no, your linked list is done.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right? Okay, I'll be sharing all the diagrams, program, everything I'll share. And tomorrow we go with the trace, much more complex than this. Okay?
Okay, sir. I'll revise this once again properly.
Okay. Okay, just attend the class. I'll share the documents, even the critical notes also I'll share it to you after the classes. Then whenever you are having exam, recap it. Before
Okay.
exam, compulsory you have to see. Else we'll forget. Even I also forget.
Yes,
Okay?
of course, sir. But like, yeah, but I just want to revise it for like if I need
Yes.
to ask questions and it's easier.
Yeah. Anything. Even before you go for exams also you can ask. Okay? Nothing rule that you should ask now only. So even
Yes.
after completion of course, even after some years also you can contact. No issues.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, Karthik. So see you
Yes.
tomorrow with the trace. And after
Yes.
that, next week, one more class where I want to go with searching and sorting. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.